Striking tutorial. If you're striking above your shoulder, you can turn your palm up for a punch that will get into the grooves. You see how my face is shaped kind of triangular, like there are ledges in our faces. You can catch those ledges with a palm up punch. It'll cut you in right there. And also that angle of the punch when you're attacking the face, it keeps your knuckles safer at least than when you do a regular punch where you're more likely to hit with this bone here against the cheekbone or the forehead and break your knuckles. Palm up punch. Now when I do this, I don't stay at full extension. I relax down after the hit. And just like the other punches, my elbow scrapes the side and I squeeze that pocket of air out at the end of the punch. And our hands move at the same speed going in and out. One thing to remember with this strike, it's not an uppercut, right? We're not going here. That's covered in other techniques in the style. This is just a regular punch. We're just punching above our shoulder because the arm is looser when we punch like this versus like this when we're striking above our shoulders. We might apply this in a combination using it as the lead punch, then loop back around to a regular punch to the body, or vice versa. Different ways to accumulate power for this. We can obviously twist our hips like anything else, or we can rise and tuck our hips and straighten our legs just a smidgen over here to gain that power going upwards.